mamá de la 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 mamá.
What's good YouTube? It's your boy Terry Vlogs, aka the Reaction Boss, and we're back in it with another video for you all. And the crowd goes wild. Jamaican reacts to reggaeton. Yes, I finally started it, guys. I've been telling you guys this. I've been telling you guys that I'm going to start reacting to some reggaeton music. You understand me? Because it's only right. You feel me? They take the nice reggae beats, they mix it up a little bit and create magic. Right now, if you're new to the channel, please like, subscribe to the channel right now. Subscribe to my main channel, Terry Vlogs. Also, I'm trying to reach 50k subscribers over there. Link down below in the description of this video and also pinned in the comment section. But this channel right here, I think this channel is going to pass that channel out right now. Let's get straight to the most lit reaction video I watch on YouTube. Comment and if you to see your comment over there in the next video that I post. I post every single day. Every day. Everything for the entire Caribbean, but we're branching out now. It's a new year. You know what? Let's talk it. We have a song called La Mamá de la Mamá. I got it right? Right? By, no, let me see if I get this right. By Alfa or Jefe, CJ, I don't know him. You understand me? Scom. I hope I got it right. Anyways, run tune.
Mami, a mí me gusta tu descendencia entera. ¿Por qué? Porque
wait, pause. We all know this song, you know. We all know this song. Well, I don't really know this song. We know the little TikTok part. That's all the part I know. I'd have never seen this video before in my life. Now let's go.
La mamá de 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 la mamá.
What they go on? Y'all understand? You know we're not gonna understand the language, you know. But if you get to that point, you understand me reacting to these songs. I mean, I'm gonna learn it. But hold on. These girls attack with them big booty everywhere. Just attack me with the big booty every single direction up on the camera. Like, hold on. Calm down. Go on. Yo, we have too much to go on right there, so oh. You see them things I'm telling about my magic finger, people. I'm telling about the magic finger them. Like when I pause the video at a certain place, I pause the video at the wrong place, people. Well, the right place. I pause it and look what I see. A perfect arch. Go.
ella me lleva pa' tu bye bye. Chiquiri bye bye, chiquiri bye bye bye. Con la boca ella me lleva pa' tu bye bye. Dale al teteo y chúpame la tetera. Cuando ella lo mueve toda la vaina se me altera. La clase el piquete pasado de lo que era. Atento cotorra me la llevo pa' donde quiera. De ti me gusta todo. Subiendo la chapa mamita todo. El corito contigo a mí me ha gustado. La mujer de mi vida la que yo he mamado. Tú eres la mujer que me ha mamado. Nunca me ha pegado los dientes.
I really want to understand what they're saying. Let me see if they have English subtitles on. I hope it is in English because I will be laughing right now. Go! It's not. I'm gonna try to find English because we need English over here. No English, only Spanish auto-generated, dog. No! I wonder if somebody ever like plan to remix these, not remix, but like do an English version to the song or do a voiceover or something like that. That would be lit. Let's go though.
La mamá de 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 la mamá.
Mamá Juana, mamá Dora, tata de los cheques.
Yo, like all these girls just perfect. Or am I capping? Then all these wow, look at that. That's like But all these girls are perfect. Or am I wrong? You tell me, let me know. But from what I'm seeing, they are all perfect. You understand what I'm saying? I need go.
Mamá Juana, mamadora, la trae los cheques.
Okay.
Whoopty, I'm on the awesome movie. Yeah, two-seat, pull up on your bitch in the two-seat. Dale, mommy, she see the ice and she wanna party.
Yeah.
Dale, mommy, she see the ice and she wanna party. She like, I poppy, I poppy, I poppy, I poppy.
Yeah.
You see me, you stop me, I see you, I chop it. Diablo, mami, que culazo.
Dale con tu pla, 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 con tu pla, pla, pla.
Eating the coochie through the camera, people. This man is eating the coochie through the camera. You all see his tongue coming out his mouth like, hold on, pause. Reminisce. Control yourself, Tariq. Let's go.
Yo estoy solo, me quedé sin papá. Por eso quiero que me dé una mamá.
He's
Ahora
eating
estoy
the
adelante,
coochie
pero
through
antes
the
te vas a
camera.
pagar. No te imaginas todo lo que me voy a buscar. Sube la nota que esta vaina te ratatata. Busca ese cuero que ese culo lo voy a hinchar. Le quito los panties y la pongo a brincar. Chu, pla, 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 con chu, pla, pla, pla. Con chu, pla, 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 con chu, pla, pla, pla. Con chu, pla, 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 con chu, pla, pla, pla.
Yeah.
Hey, siento nieve en mi cuerpo. El alfa, el jefe, la planta, el animal, el criminal.
Hey, I need to go look for the English, like that's the English version. Not the English version, like, you know, somebody who did it, but I'll try to put the lyrics on the screen for you to really hear and see what they were saying, because this extra lit over here, people. And let me know if y'all want me to react to some more reggaeton music. As you know, people always have this to say, like, I don't react to the audio, I mostly react to the video. It's called a reaction video. Yes, I'll do things like this where I don't really understand what they're saying, because I have this skill of reacting to the video and the girls in the video, and the energy just lit, and you all love that from me. So guess what? I'm gonna keep doing it. So let me know if y'all want me to react to some more. Drop some more of these songs down below in the comment section. And but the best place to do that, people, is Instagram at Tariq Vlogs. My Instagram. Go on Instagram and DM me and let me know which one you want me to do next, because we finna go crazy with the reggaetons. It's summertime in a Kingston. Let's go.
Mamá de la 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 mamá.
Mamá Juana.
There's only one thing that I've learned so far throughout this video. These man, them love Nyam Coochie. Y'all love eating the pumps. I am shocked. Dude with the color here, I'm shocked he has not put his mouth or his tongue on one of those girls with the perfect booty so far. Or even the grandmas in the video. Look at this man tongue out of his mouth right now. No, sir, go on.
Mamadora, la trae los cheques. Esa abusadora. Mamá Juana, mamadora, la trae los cheques. Esa abusadora. Ya él
Look at this tongue.
ya él que dijo.
Put your tongue in your mouth.
Que nos unió va a pasar.
Tongue in your mouth. All right, then. Put your tongue in your
Hice mi
mouth.
diligencia con tiempo.
Ya.
Put your tongue in your mouth. People, what are your thoughts on this video, people? You understand me? Let me know if you want me to do some more reggaeton. I'm definitely going to do some more reggaeton, because, yo, it's just lady titty, yo. You feel me? And the reaction boss don't play with y'all over here. I'm actually trying to search for an English version right now. You know what I mean? But it's like, I can't find none. No, I want y'all to show me how. Yeah, I can't find no English version over here. I am actually trying to find an English lyrics. There we go. See, this was it. Oh, No, we're not playing that ass shit. I'll see you on another video, y'all. Just comment some more y'all want to see me do. Subscribe to the channel. We're very late over here. We're very late. You understand me? It's been about time. Like, take care of the reaction boss. Bitch.